I'm just here skating with Mr. Unemployed. 15-minute tutorial on omelettes. How's retirement going, mate? I'm not life, bro. Yeah, g'day. It's about 6:30. Woke up a while ago and contemplated what to do this morning, and to stop being lazy, I got up and I'm going to drive down to Fingal and get the drone out before it gets too windy. I might actually be able to get some good photos. I'm kind of sick of getting the drone out around Burleigh. She's a little windy. Alright, so I just spent the last 10 minutes setting this thing up as always. It's a bit slow, but damn, the photos come out good. Let's see how we go today, eh?
Do you ever get the feeling that you can't shift the tide that sticks around like something in your teeth and some aces up your sleeve? I had no idea that you're in deep. I dreamt about you nearly every night this week. How many secrets can you keep? 'Cause there's this tune I found that makes me think of you somehow, and I play it on repeat till I fall asleep, spilling drinks on my city. Do I wanna know if this feeling flows both ways? Start to see it go. Started hoping that you'd stay.
That is the biggest dog I've ever seen in my life. It's bigger than a sedan. After fluffing around this morning, I had to do some adult shit today, so I don't really do anything fun at all. Now I have to go and shoot photos at the Treetops pub. The chick that runs the socials lives in Melbourne, so she needs me to go and get some content for them, which I thought, sweet, it'll be heaps easy, but then I thought about it and it's probably going to be pretty hard. It's not a very nice looking pub and she wants me to get photos of it looking presentable. But, oh well, it's all in the fun. Hopefully it goes alright. Well, this place is a bigger shithole than I thought. Nearly got in a fight with a local for having a camera. Yep, shithole. Well, that was definitely heaps fun. You gotta always love bogans when you get a camera out, because they don't really understand that I don't give a shit who the fuck they are. I'm not there to take photos of their alcoholic asses. I'm just there to do my job and get a couple photos, and that's it. I'm just here skating with Mr. Unemployed. 15-minute tutorial on omelettes. How's retirement going, mate? I'm not life, bro. Alright, do something cool.
They're Maddie's Christmas party. She's talking about going to pub or something.